Top 9 Ways How Social Media Impacts Your Business.
Social media impact businesses positively and offers an opportunity for your audience to find you on social media. It helps to reach to your targeted audience, stay engaged with them, and respond to their queries instantly. It is a great way to evaluate your competition by monitoring their social media pages. Social media has multiple positive impacts on business in terms of brand recognition, customer engagement, revenue, and customer service. It also is a great tool to evaluate your competitors and how they are using social media for their growth. Here are 9 positive ways of how social media impacts businesses.
1. Social media adds a new dimension to your channel customer service.
Today's customers choose social media as the main source to interact with a brand as they get instant attention. Research says that 42% of consumers expect a response on social media within 60 minutes. Social media is a powerful channel to engage customers who reach out to you through different social media channels such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, WhatsApp to deliver a seamless omni-channel messaging experience.
2. Social media helps to reach out to a bigger audience.
Almost 90% of marketers say their social marketing efforts have increased exposure for their business, and 75% say they've increased traffic. It's an ideal way to create brand awareness and stay in contact with your customers. Social media platforms are becoming the main source for people to learn more about businesses, latest information about new products, services, advertisements, deals, or promotions.
Here are some tips to expose your brand to a broader audience.
Segment your audience. Prior heading up to the social platforms, make sure that your target audience is on the platform or not. It's not at all wise to blindly follow other brands. Make use of visuals. Once you have segmented your audience, make use of attractive visuals along with content to grab immediate attention and boost engagement. Initiate conversations. Involve yourself into the social platforms not only by listening but also by building great conversations by tagging or mentioning others. Measure your efforts. It is very important to measure your social activity by using external tools. Gain insights and channelize your efforts and strengthen your brand image.
3. Social media creates word of mouth.
Social media does, in fact, help to get the word out about your business. With the arrival of interactive and social media, the patterns, role, and impact of word of mouth have evolved, due to which new online communities are shaped. Such changes affected the ways businesses can leverage the power of word of mouth for marketing purposes and, vice versa, the impact of word of mouth on businesses. Research shows that 72% of people see online reviews in the same light as personal recommendations made by friends and family.
4. Social media marketing, SMM, is economical.
Many businesses are jumping into the social media marketing, SMM, bandwagon as its positive impact on brands and promises profitable success when done properly. Social media marketing techniques target social networks and applications to spread brand awareness. Social media marketing is perceived as a more targeted type of advertising and therefore it is very effective in creating brand awareness. Social media engagement campaigns produce a lot of shares, generate more views and publicity for your business, all for a one-time cost.
5. Social media allows collecting first-hand customer feedback.
Social media is a potent ingredient of customer feedback cocktail. Social media platforms allow collecting first-hand feedback from customers to improve brand image, reputation, and relationship with the customer. The customer must feel like they are heard, valued, and this makes them happy. So, respond to every post, comment, suggestion, and make the best use of it for your brand development. Businesses that engage with customer service requests via social media earn 20% to 40% more revenue per customer.
6. Social media improves user engagement.
No matter businesses are on social media or not, customers follow their social media accounts every day. With the average person spending just under 2 hours per day on social media engagement is essential to make sure your brand is capturing enough attention. Setting up a social media presence, building and engaging them effectively with quality content is a big effort. But the biggest benefit you can glean from your investment in social media is to reach out to your potential customers wherever they can be found across the globe.
7. Social customer service is the new marketing.
Providing stellar customer service is likely already a top priority for every business. But along with the two-way communication that social media provides, it also offers a unique opportunity to step up your customer service game and provide instant gratification to your target audience. WhatsApp, for example, is the most popular channel for customer service on a global front. The numbers say there are more than 1.5 billion monthly active users, sharing more than 60 billion messages every day, a huge amount of on-platform activity.
8. Social media can be a driving force of growth tools.
Social media offers opportunities for brands to increase conversions due to the interaction that they have with customers. When a brand chooses a proactive social media marketing approach, it will strengthen its marketing strategy.
9. Social media boosts your brand loyalty.
Building and maintaining brand loyalty is one of the central themes of every business. Social media helps you to build relationships with your customers through social media, which increases loyalty and advocacy.
Brand loyalty matters due to the below reasons.
Resistance in competition. In this competitive market, brand loyalty is hard to come by. Customers have multiple options accessible that can lose them easily. Perception of your brand builds new customers, but loyal customers add real value. Meaningful engagement. Loyal social media followers are more likely to interact with your posts and create meaningful conversations. Real engagement is more valuable to your online image. Brand advocacy. Loyal social media followers are high potential brand advocates. They're very likely to talk about your brand positively, even without persuasion.